guys, good evening. So for today's video guys, magdi-dinner po kami ni Kitty Pie. Actually, this is our last night here in Maldives. So magdi-dinner po kami ni Kitty Pie doon sa Fire Door. Yeah. So maganda yung review nila doon guys. Yes. And naka-ano kami ng 9 PM for the dinner. And before that one guys, look at I wear na my earrings from Sri Lanka. May sapphire. O, diba? Ang ganda tingnan. Wow. So, ito yung outfit check natin. So, see you there, guys. Actually, grabe ang hangin ngayon, guys. Yes. Sana hindi maano yung ano ko doon. Yung buhok ko. So, see you there, guys. Kasi ano na, it's around 8:30 here in Maldives time. So, they will close at 10:45. Pero, aksi pa sila ng customer from 9 PM. So, yun ang book namin. From 9 PM. So, see you there! Masarap daw yung steak nila doon. Guys, ganito ang ano namin paggabi. Diba? Gabi ang... From here or here, right? Here? So, grabe ang tahimik guys. No, ang aga pa dito guys. It's around 8:30. So, ito yung view namin paggabi. Diba? Lahat yata natutulog na. Or let's see there kung marami bang tao ngayon. So guys, ganito ang daan. Full of green leaves. Diba? Grabe. It's so romantic.
It's not artificial like how the
Yeah, this is not artificial. This is all original. This is all nature's. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a man-made. See? No, the plant is only taking care of the people, right? Every day they are cleaning here, guys, you know. I don't know how many times they are cleaning here. In the morning, we can see now already here. Maybe they are just alternate, right? Yeah. They're cleaning here. See, look at how clean it is. You can't even see a single bit of leaves. See, it's so romantic, the place, guys. Actually, we have Baguio, but we will never call the Baguio. See here. I love Grand Park, Kudiparo. Kudiparo. See, the other door is the pool bar that we've been there in the afternoon. See, this is the pool bar, guys. It's not too much people, right? Actually, they will also close at 11 PM. Same this one for our dinner. So guys, that is the one romantic place. You can book that one and they will arrange for you. See, someone is dating, proposing. They are proposing of a marriage. So nice, so romantic, right? Within the nearby of the beach. So that it is, guys. This is the one, the Fire Door. So, Fire Dog, Fire Door nga. Yeah, I told you Fire Door. See, that is there our villa. You guys have to do this. So this is our first time to eat here. Kitty Pie. Just take daw, it's so amazing. Fire Door. Welcome here in the Fire Door. Wow! This is it. This is it look like. Good evening. Good evening. so there is full?
There is no any other table, like only the big table.
Okay. In front. In back is that good. Too much light. See, hi, Kitty Pie. Welcome here in the fire door. So where's the fire, Kitty Pie? This is the fire. That's not a real fire. See, it's nice there, you know. You can see the beautiful places of the city. Huh? Yeah, you can see there the beach.
Yes, I will get it.
You guys look at the place. I've also here meat. Huh? You want to drink here? No, you have to drink there in the home.
That mangoes. That mangoes.
Look at their price, guys, for their drinks. Look at the easy. 495, 425 USD dollar. This one is easy 360. I don't know their main course. There are steak. Huh? Jasper Grill.
You like how beef?
So guys, we ordered already a steak. You know their steak how much? It's worth $95 for what served. $95. But their drinks is a little bit cheap. So that price, guys, they have tax. Yes. So every order you need to pay 27% of the tax. Yeah. Pero yung mga cocktails nila medyo kayang-kaya lang. $15. It's depend. Pero yung ang review kasi dito, guys, this is the best steak in here in the island. Yeah. So we need to try that one for our last night here in Maldives. Yes. So, yan si Tito tayo nag-order. Really classy yung location, guys. Ang ganda. Yung peaceful, yung may kunting sounds, very relaxing. Yeah. Actually, mas maganda na doon. Kaso, may occupied na siya. We are getting a little bit of late. I think early kami. So, what? Huh? Yeah, it's done na there, right? You can... So, while waiting for our order, this is our location. See, we can sit there if you want. See, this is the one. Kitty Pie, say hi, Kitty Pie. Yeah, we are in the same terrace here of the restaurant. So guys, this is surrounded by like this. Yeah, it's so nice.
I think that's fine. Thanks so much. I'm not sure about that. Thanks so much.
We're waiting for our main course. Hey, try that one, baby. What's this name? Mushroom soup. It's a mushroom soup daw, guys. Really? We already full this one for the whole compliment. So guys, this is a well done steak. It's so thick, Kitty Pie, right? Yeah. Grabe, super yummy yung steak nila, guys, as in. Wala kang masabi. First time I tried this steak. The quantity is small but
Also good.
ang bilis mo mabusog. Sa presyo pa lang busog ka na. Ang guys, busog na busog kami. I don't like their drinks. It's not like there. Hey guys, this is our complimentary chocolate. Oh, this is my favorite. Wow! I'm sure I will eat this one. Hey guys, that is the fire door. Actually, finish our dinner. It's so nice their steak actually. Pero ako kasi, hindi ako steak lover.
It's a fine thing.
Yeah. But guys, alam nyo ba? First time I see na ganun kaliit ang steak. Yeah, for the one serve, actually I ate too much, but just like this for $100. Like this only guys, and their side this is so small. You can see the video, right? How small it is. Just cool. You know, it's 8 times for the size of the chilies. The chilies is too much huge. That one is only like this. Yeah, but the taste actually is first time I eat steak like that. It's totally different. And it's worth it. The good thing is they have a lot also of complimentary. And I like also their mushroom soup. Yeah, it's nice. So the drinks here is so affordable. It's not too much costly. The foods only is costly. Yeah, $15 is consumed for 35 dirham. Same only in Dubai. The cocktail. That's a normal price here guys, only $15, $20. The food here is costly and the pizza like that. But the rest, unlike you order the bottle, because we order one bottle for Kitty for Jameson's is around $250, 1 liter. Yeah, $250 plus 27% tax. So it's coming $300. You can buy na Dulibili Dubai. But the good thing is 1 for 3 nights na for 55. We can do anything just to buy that one. Just colored. Because the bad thing here guys, we can't bring any wine or what's this from the airport. You can't carry anything. But cigarettes, the good thing is we can carry cigarettes, or else nako, just ko how much we paid again for the cigarettes on Kitipay. Guys, that's all the villa with there. Ang ganda ng location din niya. We also pay the ambience. Just colored. Actually, the foods there in the pool bar is a little bit cheap. Yeah, yesterday we ordered rice with chicken, big serve. We paid only around $27, right? Yeah, plus tax, so it's around $35 like that. It's very, but here, one serve $100. Just colored. Plus drinks. O, diba? Guys, nakabalik na kami galing sa aming dinner. Super sarap yung food, solid yung bayad namin, and tonight is our last night here in Maldives. But before that, we will go to for our tourist tour. City tour, yes. So see you guys in my next vlog. Super full kami doon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye Maldives. I know it's not say goodbye Maldives. Goodbye for our villa.